What's the meaning of Bolivia? Bolivia. Bolivia.
Bolivia. Bolivia. Bolivia is a landlocked country located in South America. Its name comes from the famous South American independence fighter, Simon Bolivar. The country has a rich history and culture, with a diverse population that includes indigenous peoples as well as people of European and African descent. Bolivia is known for its natural beauty, including the Andes Mountains, the Amazon rainforest, and the Salar de Uyuni salt flats. Its economy is largely based on agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. Despite facing numerous challenges, including poverty and political instability, Bolivia is a country with a proud heritage and a bright future.